Suzuki is finally launching the much-anticipated 2025 V-Strom 1050, and it's everything adventure riders have been waiting for. The legendary V-Strom series takes a bold step forward with new features, updated design, and refined performance to dominate both asphalt and off-road trails. Welcome to Biker Review Hub. Engine and performance. At the heart of the V-Strom 1050 lies Suzuki's tried-and-true 1037 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, now tuned for even smoother torque delivery and better fuel efficiency. The powerplant remains 5 Euro Plus compliant, delivering a perfect balance between strength and smoothness for long-haul touring and weekend adventures alike. Technology and electronics. Suzuki equips the 2025 model with cutting-edge rider aids, an updated Suzuki Intelligent Ride System SIS, traction control, cruise control, multiple ride modes, and hill hold assist. A refreshed 5-inch TFT display offers easy navigation of all these features, making every ride smarter and safer. Design and comfort. The new design is sharper, more aggressive, and unmistakably V-Strom. A redesigned windscreen, more ergonomic seating, and updated fairings improve rider comfort and aerodynamics. The adventure-ready chassis and adjustable suspension promise comfort whether you're on the highway or the dirt. Adventure-ready features. Suzuki includes tubeless spoked wheels, increased ground clearance, and integrated luggage options to make this machine trail-capable right out of the showroom. Whether you're chasing horizons or tackling daily commutes, the V-Strom 1050 is built to handle it all. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 is more than an upgrade, it's a declaration. Rugged, refined, and ready for anything, Suzuki is back in the adventure game stronger than ever. Subscribe to Biker Review Hub for more updates, reviews, and breakdowns of the world's most exciting bikes.